Monday, it's First Shift. I'm Jennifer Vong. Toyota's stay put strategy. We'll explain later on. But first, a look at your headlines. Nissan has tapped Makoto Uchida to be its next CEO. Uchida currently heads the automaker's China division. The 55-year-old is a Nissan veteran with experience in joint purchasing with alliance partner Renault. Nissan says the appointment will take place no later than January 1st. Hiroto Saikawa stepped down as chief executive last month after a probe into his use of an executive incentive program. Yasuhiro Yamauchi has been serving as interim CEO in the meantime. The automaker also announced that Ashwani Gupta will be Nissan's new chief operating officer. Gupta is a former Nissan and Renault executive who is currently the COO of third alliance partner Mitsubishi. For much more, visit autonews.com. Ram released fuel economy ratings for the 1500 EcoDiesel on Monday, and the pickup nearly matched the segment leader, the Chevy Silverado. The 2020 Ram 1500 EcoDiesel will be rated at 32 miles per gallon in highway driving. That's just behind the Silverado 1500 diesel's 33 mpg. In city driving, Ram will be rated 22 miles per gallon, just under the Silverado's 23 rating. Meantime, the 4x4 Ram EcoDiesel will get 29 miles per gallon on the highway, matching the Silverado for the segment lead. The Ram will get 21 mpg in the city, behind the comparable Silverado's 23. While the Silverado edged out Ram in the diesel fuel economy fight, Ram has overtaken the Silverado to become the #2 seller in the large pickup segment. Ram's U.S. sales were 461,115 through September, compared with 409,316 for the Silverado.
Ford Pass gives me a smarter way to move. It has already warmed up my car by the time I get downstairs.
Ford says it will make Ford Pass Connect permanently free. The automaker initially planned to charge for the service. As part of the Ford Pass mobile app, users are able to remotely start and turn off their vehicle. Users can also receive vehicle health reports and obtain digital roadside assistance, among other features. Ford says the app has more than 1.5 million active members. And the U.S. and Japan signed a limited trade deal that doesn't include fresh tariffs on automobiles. President Donald Trump had threatened to slap tariffs on Japanese auto exports to the U.S. The deal signed Monday is centered on agriculture and digital trade. The written text of the deal doesn't explicitly cover additional levies on autos, but Japanese Prime Minister Shinzo Abe has said he received assurances that Japan would be spared from them. Nearly a decade ago, the Detroit 3 abandoned the mid-sized pickup segment, leaving Japanese automakers to fill the void. Now that GM, Ford, and FCA are back in the segment, they found how difficult it can be to knock the Toyota Tacoma from the top. As our Larry Velaquette reports, Toyota is once again looking to capitalize in segments where the domestic brands are shifting away. In today's case, cars. Toyota has continued to invest in its popular lineup of sedans. Most recently, Toyota redesigned its compact Corolla after completing a redesign of its top-selling midsize Camry. Overall, Toyota's proportion of car sales to light trucks has consistently been higher than the industry's overall rate. In 2018, cars accounted for 38% of the Toyota brand's total U.S. sales. The percentage for the industry, 31%. The last time the market's car and light truck sales were evenly split, 2013. Remember, for more industry news, keep it here on our website 24/7. Take care.